Hey everybody, this is my third video showing you off my Begleri collection, and this video I'll be showing the ones that I make here on my lathe. So let's see, I have these money shred Begleri that I add brass inserts in there to make the weight just right, in my opinion. As you can see, I have the shreds of money in them. Have this Delrin. It's like a thermoplastic in a green color with some black O-rings that I made here on the lathe. As you can see, the lines in here. I even like to add magnets to them, like so. It just adds to the fidget factor for me. And sorry, it's thundering and lightning outside, so that's probably what you hear in the background. Let's see, another one similar. That 7075 aluminum with Delrin magnets. Let's see. These are some glow beads that I made on the lathe. Same thing. Has brass inserts. See if I can get it to glow a bit on camera. You can see it's somewhat, it's kind of a lot of light in here. Let's see what else. Got some copper with Delrin that I made on the lathe. Let's see. Now I'm sorry for the not having I can't find my tripod. Another set is natural Delrin. I even added some dots to the top and O-rings. Let's see what else. Same thing here, Delrin. I added some glow strip and even glow dots to the top. Let's see if I can get them to glow. Yeah, see there. And let's see, last but not least, it's my favorite set I've probably ever made. Delrin, copper, magnets included, and glow dots at the top. Let's see. Nice blue color. But like I said, oh wait, let me see, I think I have one more. Yeah, my recent make here, carbon fiber with 7075 aluminum and magnets. I can make these without magnets. It's just something that I like because I like to kind of like hang it on stuff like so. Like I said, just to fidget around with. But yep, that's most of my lathe sets that I have that I've made for people and myself. If you follow me on Instagram, tomorrow night I should be doing a giveaway on most of these sets. I'm doing like a big 2,000 follower giveaway. So if you follow me on Instagram, I'll be giving away a few sets.